Hello, in front of me I've got BMW F40. In this video I'll show you how to change seat position. In the beginning, take a look at the driver's seat. Right here we've got the first lever, thanks to which we can fold the seat. Second lever, thanks to which we can change seat height. Button, thanks to which we can change lumbar pressure. Lever, thanks to which we can change tilt of the seat. Next, we can extend the seat, and in the end we can change seat distance. As you can see, this car has many seat adjustment options. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.